Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a Chromebook, of course. It's available now at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a Chromebook on prepaid, Metro has you covered with that. So this is the Galaxy Chromebook Go. So that's pretty cool. It has a 14-inch display, which is HD display, LTE speed, and 12 hours of battery. So yeah, you guys will need a connected device plan for this to work, obviously. So yeah. So there's the front of the Chromebook there, the top of it anyway. So you guys will have your Chromebook logo, Samsung logo on top. So the Chromebook Go is $359.99 full retail price, or it's $249.99 when you switch to Metro and add a line. So you guys will have to have a phone line plus a connected device line as well. So if you're a current customer and you guys want this at Metro, it's $359.99. But if you're a new customer, you guys can get it for $249.99. So pretty cool deal there. So like I said, this is the top of it here. It has your Chromebook logo right there. Pretty dope. Samsung logo there. Take this thing for a spin. There's your little hinge right there. Down here on the bottom of it is, I guess, your fans or whatnot for the Chromebook. So pretty nice. Check it around to the right side of the Chromebook. You guys do have a few ports here. A few USB-A. You have a USB-A port, a micro SD card reader, a Type-C. So you do have a couple of ports here. So pretty nice there. This is the inside of it, of course. Like when you open it up, there's your screen right there. Pretty nice looking wallpaper there. So on the top of it, y'all guys will have your camera, your webcam or whatever. So that'd be good for like video calls and stuff like that. Down here we'll have your Samsung logo, and you'll have your keyboard here. So pretty nice looking keyboard. Your standard keyboard for your Chromebook there. Pretty cool. And there's your trackpad right there. So pretty cool. Take it to the take it to the left side now. Wait for it to load here. I don't know why it takes a minute to load, but it does. You guys have a Type-C charging port. I guess that's a microphone, or no, that's a light for when you charge it. It will have a light for when you charge it. So you do have your charging port on the left side, along with your charger light next to it, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot. So pretty nice there. And them other ports are, I guess, extra ports or whatever. So pretty cool. So you do get a lot of ports on this Chromebook here. So there's the top of it again. So it says here, make the grade with a Chromebook. Sorry about that. My microphone is on my arrow key, but so it says here, make the grade with a Chromebook that's at the top of the class. That's at the top of its class in value and performance. The Galaxy Chromebook Go is built with premium craftsmanship to endure everyday hiccups and long-lasting battery life to power through class without needing to sit by a power outlet. Plus, you'll blaze through every assignment with fast LTE connectivity. Thinner and lighter than other Chromebooks, the Galaxy Chromebook Go fits easily into backpacks. So it fits easily into backpacks to help lighten your load. So it's very good. So this will be good for like school and stuff. So if you guys are like in college or whatnot, you know, this would be good for that. If you're in high school, this would be good for that. if you have a kid that's in like middle school, or if you have a kid in school or whatever, you could get them this Chromebook here. So this would be good for like schoolwork and stuff like that. If you guys have kids in school, I'm pretty sure that they have Chromebooks. I'm pretty sure that like every school district in the U.S. gives out Chromebooks to all the kids in schools, so it's pretty good. So if you guys want an extra Chromebook for your kid or whatever, if you guys want a backup laptop or whatever, the Chromebook Go is worth checking a look at here. It does look very nice. Specs on here are decent. This is not really that expensive. This is kind of like your budget Chromebook here, so not too bad. So like I said earlier in the video, it has a 14-inch display, HD display, 42.3 watt-hour of power, providing up to 12 hours of battery life. Durable, reliable body, slimmest design in class at 15.9 millimeters, 180-degree hinge. So you can rotate this 180 degrees. So I think it's touchscreen as well, so that's pretty cool. Says here, get the Galaxy Chromebook Go for $249.99 when you add a line for a limit time. No activation fee. If you guys want to get it for $249.99, like I said, new activation. So yeah. So I guess you had to be a new customer to get it for $249.99. If you're a current customer, it'd be $359.99. So yeah. And so the specs on this Chromebook, like I said, this is like your mid-range Chromebook. You're really not gonna be doing a whole lot of heavy, intense stuff on here. Maybe some light gaming, but if you guys want like a more powerful laptop, a Windows or a Mac is the one for you. But anyways, it has 32 gigabytes of internal storage. About 20 gigabytes is available to the user. 14-inch display, like I said, HD display, a 1 megapixel camera. So not great, but it'd be great for like video chats and stuff like that. Make sure that you guys have good lighting for the camera. You do get micro SD expansion up to 1 terabyte. Talk time, of course, no talk time. It runs Chrome OS, obviously. It has an Intel Celeron processor in 4500 up to 2.8 gigahertz. I don't know if it's quad core or whatnot. I'm not really sure. It doesn't mention it. Its weight is 52.9. I don't know if it's 5.29 ounces or what, or if it's a typo. I'm not really sure. But it says it's a lightweight Chromebook, so it shouldn't be that heavy. Shouldn't be. They do got some accessories here. They got a charging cable, a Bluetooth speaker, and all that. I think this thing has Bluetooth on it. I'm pretty sure it does have Bluetooth on it. If you guys want to get accessories for the Chromebook, you could probably check Amazon. It should have them there. Type in Galaxy Chromebook Go on Amazon, and they should have the accessories for it. I don't see why they wouldn't. You can also go to the Google store as well to check there as well. You can get extra charging cables and stuff like that for the Chromebook if you ever need it. So yeah, guys, if you guys are looking to get a Chromebook on prepaid, Metro has you covered with that with the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. It's available now for $359.99. That's the full retail price. If you guys activate a new line and add a line, it's $249.99. So you guys have to have a phone line. Plus, you have to have a connected device line as well in order to get it for $249.99. The plan, I don't know. You have to get a connected device plan, but I don't know what plan that they'll put it on. So you have to ask Metro about that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is the first Chromebook I've seen on prepaid. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to get a Chromebook for your kids for school or whatever, this is the one to check out. It's not really that expensive. Because if your kid gets a Chromebook from school, provided from the if your kids get a Chromebook from their school, they get the cheapest Chromebook. So yeah, this one's a Samsung Chromebook. It has a brand name. It's a trusted brand name, so you can't go wrong with the Samsung product here. It looks very nice. Specs on it are decent for what it is. So yeah, so there you guys go. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So yeah, if you guys want a Chromebook on prepaid, Metro has you covered with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.